So because of that, we'll be reviewing some IGCSE topics by extending it towards the IB, like I said earlier. So remember I said sometimes last week, last month, I think it's now last month, that we'll review the set and Venn diagram. How many of you have seen the tags that I posted online?
That
Code. Justin has actually submitted. Justin, where's Justin? Can Justin hear me?
yes.
Do you have fun time or is just bookworm all the time?
I think I'm most afraid of the work piling up.
Yeah,
I
what?
do it. I'm afraid of the work piling up. So I do it
Oh,
as fast as possible.
because I checked in last night and I saw one submission. I'll be like, what? Who is this? And I saw Justin. I'm like, oh my God, does this guy take a break? But it's good. So the tags I put on Human Development Index, Justin has been able to submit. So I'm not going to discuss that yet because I don't want to just reveal anything to people. So how about we just practice some sets that we have done in the past. So we will revise some of the concepts that we have done. I'm going to project some questions now. Does everybody have access to printer?
I do, but not it doesn't work 24/7 for some reason.
I don't.
So basically you don't. So does anyone know if library is open yet?
I don't think it's open yet.
Oops. Anyway, because if I
it should be open because like 2 weeks ago, Macau was like, "Oh, we open everything. Just don't
But
have
the
too
park
many."
is still closed, so I don't think the library is open.
I think I understand because you know people can be. It's like encouraging crowd, but even the cinema is crowd, and the cinema is allowed to open, right? So, anyways, so I want us to practice some set problems. So I'm going to be using one of my IB resources for us. Okay, so let's see. It's the core book of the IB syllabus. You guys like my shelf? Look at my bookshelf. Mr. Iron Man, yeah. You like my shelf? You like my shelf?
Yeah. Could have a lot more books though.
Oh well, that means I have to pay more money. I pay to have access to each of this, and I don't want to pay more money. Yes. Anyway, page 45. So we've done something like this before. Anson is here. Lazy Anson. What's wrong? Hello, Anson. Okay, so we're not going to waste time doing any explanation. So I want you to do practice first. So for example, look at this problem. I want you to represent it in the Venn diagram. I will also, do I project example also to remind people, or I let you try first without the example? What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
Example.
Maybe start with examples like review.
Lazy girl, Giselle. All right, so this is an example. So I'll project that also. So let's do this way. So using this example 5, actually, except that you can't hear this, you'll have enjoyed the explanation. I'm gonna play this. Let's see if you can hear the explanation from your end. So listen, everybody. Did you hear that?
No.
We can't hear it clearly.
No,
like we can hear the noise, but we can't hear what they're saying.
Okay, so there's no point. Okay, there's no point. Or even if I play it and you just look at how it is done. How about that? I play it, then you just look at how it is done step by step. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, let's do that. That's all about the explanation. Did everybody get that? Or do I, explain the words?
I get it.
I get it.
Yeah, I get it.
All right, so everybody got that? Please let me know if you don't. So please take note of these special cases, especially the B and the C part. Can I hear a response from everybody else so I know if everybody gets that or not?
I get it.
I get it.
All right.
Yes, I get it.
Okay, good. So let's practice question one. Okay, let's practice question one here. This one. So draw the Venn diagram for question one. We can increase that to make it bigger. There we go. So please just write today's date and write set, then in bracket practice. It's not a new topic, it's something we have done before, so we're just practicing it.
Mr. Daniel,
Yes, sir.
I just now I couldn't hear. Is like a 4 or 5 seconds the Wi-Fi was blacked out, so I can't hear what we're supposed to do.
You're supposed to do question one, following this example. All right? Got it?
Okay, thank you.
All right, but you understand the example, right?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe I try to show, hope it's not too small if I show both the example and task together. I hope it's not too small for everybody.
It's fine.
All right, so let's try to show it together so that you can use that as a guide. Is this okay for everyone?
Yep.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Perfect. So I have from 5 at 2. So we might end like 1:30 or thereabout, all right? Or even earlier if I've practiced enough. So please bear with me. So please send me the pictures on WeChat. Got your work, Justin? You know what we'll do? Okay, guys, don't send in the work anymore. So let's wait for everybody, then I will display the solution. All right, I have the solution book as well. All right, so let's wait. It's not a graded work, so don't let's just waste time on it unnecessarily. So everyone, try to be fast. Justin, you could try question 2. Okay, Justin?
Okay.
All right.
Wait, so we don't send in the work, right? You just
Anyone,
continue.
yeah, I'll just display the solution, then you can compare with what you did, okay?
So we do question 2 now.
Yes, please.
Okay.
If you're done with 2, try 3 as well. So everybody working, please work faster. Ooh. Is that Justin?
Yeah, I want to ask.
You want to
What
ask
does
something?
yeah? In question 2, what is z?
Set of integers.
Okay.
Positive whole number, negative whole numbers, and zero.
Okay, thank you.
Someone is trying to join the class. Finally, Mr. OU is here. I'll be back.
Does anyone know what R means in question 3?
Wait, we're supposed to do 3.
It doesn't mean anything. It just represents the universal
Oh,
set.
yeah, universal set.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
So can you take a picture of the questions, because I want to upload the video for P6 class that I just finished. The video is completed. The conversion is completed, so I wish to upload it so they could get on with their lives trying to get my work done. All right.
Yeah,
So
got
you
it.
just take a picture of this so you don't have to miss out on anything. Can I go ahead and unshare the screen? Oh wait, I think there's a pause share. What can you see now? Tell me.
We can still see the questions.
Okay. How about now? What do you see?
Still the questions.
Still the question.
Okay, great. Then I can do my thing while you do your thing. All right, never mind. So you can still see the question, right?
Yes.
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 Great. So, all right, I do my thing, you do your thing. Let's try to be fast, please.
Mr. Daniel, are we supposed to do question 3?
Yes, Miss Giselle. How are we doing? Has anyone completed question 1, 2, 3 already?
I don't really understand question 3.
Okay.
I don't understand question 3 too.
Okay.
I think each.
It says copy the Venn diagram and label Q, Z, and N. Okay, then shade Q prime, then place the number. Okay, we can do that together, right? So has anyone completed 1 and 2? Let's start with that.
Yes, I completed 1 and
Yes.
2.
Yes.
I also complete 1 and 2.
I also complete 1 and 2.
Me too.
All right. Okay.
Yes. Completed.
Okay, so how about we try to see what we have done now, 2F. So I'm going to share my screen back. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Okay, so 2F, this is the question. So check question 1. Is this what you did?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, good. Please check everybody. Check to be sure. These are disjoint sets because they have nothing in common. So you should have them separately. This has 3 in common. So you should have that first before you fill in A only. Then this is B only. Then you have to fill the outside with everything else that has not been used for A and B. Does that make sense, everyone?
Yes.
Similarly
Yes.
for C and D is, so if you look at A and B here, everything in B can be found in A. So it means B is inside A. So that's why the diagram shows like that. All right. So if B is inside A, what is left inside A, not in B, would be outside of B, but still inside of A. And then you look at your universal set, what have you not taken care of from A and B should be outside the universal set, outside A and B, but within the rectangle showing the universal set. Does that clarify what we did? Okay, so for 2, this is it. Is this what you did for 2? Let's focus on that first before we move to 3. Confirm, is this what you did, guys?
Yes.
So the first thing it says, list the elements of A and B. The question says A is set of A is set of odd numbers less than 10. So these are odd numbers less than 10. B is set of prime numbers less than 10. These are prime numbers less than 10. The second question is about A intersection B and A union B. Intersection is what they have in common. Union is their combination, right? We've done that before. So that's how we got that. So with this information, you can do the Venn diagram. You always start with intersection if the intersection is not empty. If the intersection is empty, they have to go their separate ways. Then they are mutually exclusive or they are disjoint. Can you understand that? Does everybody get that?
Yes.
Yes.
So once you take care of that, then you look at now this circle is A. So when you fill the intersection here, you have already taken care of some part of A. So if you look at A, you've taken care of 3, 5, and 7, but you haven't taken care of 1 and 9. So you put them here. Still inside A, but not here. You do the same to B. Then if you look at A and B, you have taken care of 1, 9, 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 in order. But the universal set is every integer from 1 to 10. Because of this less than or equal to, 1 is included, 10 is also included. So you have to look at numbers from 1 to 10 that you have not taken care of so far. So this is how I do it. You look at it 1 to 10, right? This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4. 4 is not here, you write down 4. Then you count again 5, 6. Oh, 6 is missing in A and B. You write down 6. 7, 8. Okay, 8. You write down 8. 9, then 10. Then you write down 10. You can write it anywhere. You can write it at the top. You can write it here, as long as you have it within the rectangle. Does it make sense? And the last but not the least, it says copy and label. Now, why do we have this? This is subset. Let me go to the board. This is your Venn diagram. And you have 3 sets, right? So let's say this is the bigger one. And there's another one. Then there's another one. Okay, so you have set Q. You know what set that is? Set Z and set N. You know what this set is?
Rational.
What's going on here? Why is everyone quiet? Please, it can be very annoying for me if everybody just keeps mute and I'm just talking to myself. It's very, very annoying to me. It gets me, I don't know, I get angry. So please, when I'm talking, I need response. What is set Q? You can either say you have no idea, but not just be quiet like you are some spectators.
I have no idea.
I don't understand. I have no
I
idea.
haven't heard from some people, and I don't know why they are quiet. Maybe for not talking, I can remove them from the class. It's better you watch the video than being in my class and be quiet.
I did most of it.
Your name, I'm going to remove you from the class, then you can watch the video later. Don't come to my class laid back like you are just a spectator. You are a student in the class and you must talk. So now set Q. Does anybody have an idea what set Q is? It's okay if you don't know.
It's the one on the outside, the red one. Because
I'm not asking you, Elsin, please calm down. Please don't do your thing. Just answer my question, the question I ask you. What does set Q mean? That's all I'm asking you. I'm not asking you for any diagram, please. Thank you.
rational numbers.
Thank you. That's all I need. Does everybody know what rational number mean? Another person apart from Elsin.
A number that can be expressed in a ratio.
Or fraction. Any number that you can write as A over B, even 2.5 is rational. Okay. Any number that is not, that you don't have to approximate, basically. Like pi, for example, you have to approximate. You can't write everything like pi. Okay. But if you have 1 over 3, that's rational. Okay. So this is a set of rational number. What about Z? What about Z? Does anybody know? Someone else, not Elsin again. Elsin has responded.
But all integers that have positive and negatives. Yeah.
Good, all integers. So this is rational numbers. This is integers. And integers are positive and negative whole numbers, including 0. Okay, then what about N? Someone else, not Yanko, not Elsin again, and not Justin. I heard their voices already. Waiting.
N is natural numbers.
Natural numbers, all right, natural numbers. What do we mean by natural numbers? Can someone else say that? Not him, and not those that have responded.
A number without fractions and integer.
Not quite, Denise, nice try. Can we have someone else?
Integers greater than 0.
Integers greater than 0, just positive whole numbers. So these are just positive whole numbers. These are positive, negative whole numbers, and 0. So if you look at it, which of these sets, the green, the red, or the black is, which one is the smallest? The green, the red, or the black? Which is the smallest in the Venn diagram
The
now?
green one?
The green one.
The green one is the smallest. So I know from the diagram is the smallest, of course. Which of these Q, Z, or whatever is the smallest?
N?
N.
N. N is the smallest. So this is definitely your natural numbers. So which one is the second smallest? Or the one
Z, integers, I guess.
Integers.
integers, because there are some rational numbers that are not integers. 2 over 5 is a rational number, but it's not an integer. 7 is an integer and it's also a rational number because you can write it as 7/1. Okay, so definitely Z is the next. Then the last one will be Q. Okay, actually it's a script Q like this. The last one is Q. So that's part of the question. So you have labels. Now, what is Q prime? So how do we get our Q prime? Anyone?
It is everything outside of Q.
Everything outside of Q. So everything outside the red circle. That's our Q prime. Okay. And the last thing is to put some number somewhere. It says 7. Where will 7 be? Class, where will 7 be?
Inside N. The smaller one. It's inside the green.
Yes. Because that means it's also within Z, right? What about 1/5?
Q.
The Q.
Yeah, everything is still Q also, remember? So you have to be
outside of Z,
Oh,
inside Q.
outside of Z, inside of Q.
Inside of Q. So 1/5 would be here. Good. What about this 2.8? That one.
Same spot. Outside of Z, inside of Q.
Okay, also here?
Outside of Q.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Or here?
Oh, never mind. Never
Or
mind.
here? Which
Outside
one?
of Z, inside
It's
of Q.
outside of Q.
Outside of Q. Some people say outside of Z, inside of Q. Shall we vote? This is democracy in the classroom.
No. It can be turned into a fraction.
It can be turned into a fraction. You know, any number in this form can be turned into a fraction. So which means it's not going to be here. So it's going to be here. All right. What about negative pi?
Negative pi.
Outside of N, inside of Z.
Are you sure?
Negative pi.
Negative pi, Justin.
Oh, I thought you said 5.
It's outside of Q.
Negative pi. Okay, so it's going to be here, right? What about 0?
Inside of N. Wait.
No, I think it's in Z.
Or in Z.
Inside of Z. Wait, no, wait.
Not inside of N. So 0 would be
0.
here.
Yeah, outside of N.
0 is not a natural number, right? So 0 is going to be there. Let's see. Next, sorry, just a minute. Okay, the next one is root 7. Root 7.
Outside of Q.
Inside of what? Can you speak louder?
Outside of Q.
Outside of Q. So root 7 is going to be here. Next number is -2.
Outside of N, inside of Z.
Good. Is Elson the only one in this class? And I haven't heard some people. Sonia, Melody, Krista. I need to call names. Let me see. Alex, Ansin. Oyu. Kinglon, Melody, Rita, Charlene. Those are the people that I haven't heard anything from. Is there a problem? Then negative 0.35, where would that be?
Outside of Z, inside of Q.
Outside of
Z.
Outside of Z, but inside of Q, yes. So minus 0.35. So that's all you were asked to do in question 3, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to display question 4. I want you to attempt question 4 as well. Let's go. So here's question 4 and 5. Let's begin. Oh, that's too much. Sorry. Okay, I think it's big enough, right? So question 4 and 5. Can you see the book?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
So Daniel, I can't see the questions anymore.
What about you guys?
I can still see it.
I still
Can
can't
still
see
see.
it.
Okay, what's going
I
on,
can see it.
Joey? Joey, I'm going to take a picture and send to the WeChat group. So if you can't see the question from my shared screen, then you can make use of that. But I can assure you I shared with everyone. Let's see, it's probably your device. What is it?
Yeah, the background is like blue. Oh yeah, now I see it.
Because, so if how about, let's see, how about now?
Yes, I can still see it.
Okay, hold on. Because I was replying an email. How about now?
Yes, I can still see it.
Okay, I haven't done anything different. Okay, so let's hope there's no problem. Tell me the moment you can't see anymore.
Okay, thank you.
I'm done with 4 on 5 now.
Yes, sir.
I'm on 5 now.
How's it going?
I'm on 5B now.
All right. Just checking.
I'm also on 5B.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay.
Done.
Done. Okay. All right, Candy, I got your message.
Do we need to do 6?
No, I haven't even shown you 6 yet.
Okay, well, I'm done then.
Now you can see 6, right? So you can try 6, of course.
Okay, I'm not done then.
Okay. We just be taking it one after the other, right? So there's no particular. I also actually need to go in about 20 to 30 minutes so I can rest a little bit before my Form 4. Okay, so please bear with me. I'll be leaving like 1:30 latest. But before then, let's see as many.
We are your Form 4, Mr. Daniel.
God, what is wrong with me? Form 5. What is wrong with me? I didn't get enough sleep or I haven't eaten today. I haven't had breakfast. Maybe that's why. Okay. All right. So sorry about that. Form 4. Maybe I'm assuming you guys are from 4.5 already. Okay. So let's see that. So if you have done 4, can you signify if you have completed 4?
I have completed 4.
I'm done with 4.
I'm also done with 4.
So
Me
are they
too.
contained
done
in
with
each
4.
other? Okay, wait. Are they contained in each other here? Do they overlap? Or are
R
they
contains
contained in each other?
S.
What?
R contains S.
R contains S. R contains S. Okay, because squares contains rectangle, right?
No,
Squares is inside
because
rectangle.
square, yes. Yeah.
All right, yes. Let's see. Yep, that's it. R contains S. And the other one is this joint. Is this what you get?
Yes, that's what I got.
Yes.
So everybody
Mr.
take note of
Daniel.
that. Yes, sir.
For this question, are you supposed to write other parallelograms in the universal set too?
What do you mean?
Hello.
Like, universal set is all parallelograms, and then it
I
only
listed off a
rectangles
bunch
and
of
squares.
examples.
Elson, I can't get his question, so can you please wait?
So, like, are you supposed to write other parallelograms outside of R?
No,
in
no,
the-
no, no, you're not supposed to. The question is simple. It says display the information on the Venn diagram. Okay, just
Okay.
this is all. Okay, just this is all, not listing them. No, you don't need to. And the other one also is like, in this case now, do you now list all the polygons? You know, how
No.
many polygons to write? Exactly, so you don't need to. So well done anyways. What about number 5? If you have completed 5, please signify.
I've completed 5.
Okay, let's do it this
I
way.
did 5.
If you are still working on 5, signify. So if nobody signifies, then we can show the answer. If you are still working on 5, please signify.
Still working on 5B.
Please, if you are sending a chat, I'm not looking at chat. The thing is, I have to open different windows to see what you're saying, and it's a waste of time, so I don't look at it. So you should speak to the mic. Kelly, I don't know when you sent this. It might be a long time ago, but I'm just looking at it. I think that's 2 minutes ago. All right.
Okay,
So
I finished 5.
all right. So if you have not finished 5, can you say something?
I'm not done with 5, almost done.
All right. So we won't show 5 yet. Giselle is still working on 5.
Should we start doing 6 in the meantime, or
Yes,
just
of
wait?
course, of course. Oh, sorry if I didn't say that. That's why I displayed it. Thank you, Elson.
Okay. Mr. Daniel, what's Z plus?
Z plus means the positive integers only.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
So Z minus will be negative integers. So Z as a whole is written like this. So Z is actually Z plus union singleton 0 union Z minus. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Come on. Here we go.
Mr. Daniel, I'm done with 6, by the way.
All right. I'm waiting for 5. If anyone is still working on 5. Is anyone still working on 5?
I'm done.
Okay, so I guess everyone is done with 5. So here is 5. So check with your results. So the questions are to list this element, then show this. So these are the elements. So to show this, number of elements in A, you count with no repetition. Number of elements in B, you count. Number of elements in C, you count. Minus number of elements, we call it cardinality. A intersection B, you can see there are 3. So the cardinality of A intersection B is 3. A intersection C is, where is that? Okay, it's not here, so we can check. A intersection C, it contains A, it contains B, it contains nothing else. So intersection C is 2. B intersection C contains A, contains E, contains F, that's 3. Okay, then ABC, intersection of ABC, that's a singleton, so that's 1. And this is 12. Okay, so this is the addition of this. Now, is it the same as A union B union C? You count, there are 12 as well. So yes, it's correct. So this is a set formula, okay, for 3 subsets. Can everybody see what I'm showing you?
Yes.
All right. Do you want me to send this to the WeChat group? Or there's no
I don't
need?
need it.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes or no need? If anybody wants it, say yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I'm sending the screenshot of that to the WeChat group now. Come on, WeChat.
Can you show question 6?
Just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Here we go. That's that. So for question 6, here we go. Mr. Elson. Can you see 6, Elson?
Yes, I can see 6.
Right. For this printable overlapping something, I'm going to send you the PDF. It's probably a PDF, but it's not a PDF. Yeah, how do I get this to you now? I'll find a way to download it and send it to you. Then you can practice with it. So anyway, let's go to 6. Or in any case, when you're doing this, you draw this each time and shade, all right? Since we don't have printer anyway, okay, so when I send you a screenshot of these questions, you draw each of these and shade. Does that make sense, everyone? For question 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so that's how you can practice those ones. Okay, so in the meantime, let's focus on 6. That's 6. Rita, what are you saying? Rita?
Yes,
Said something, I couldn't hear you.
I didn't mute myself just now. I'm saying something to myself.
All right, that's okay.
Mr. Daniel,
Yes, Justin.
I have a question.
You have a question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So like, if there is like, imagine ABC, the Venn diagram with the 3
Sorry,
circles.
what question are you doing?
I'm doing question 6.
Okay, so, okay, I'm listening.
The ABC. What if there is like a set with like no unique values of its own, so it only shares with the other sets? Is it like,
Then it goes inside of it.
Elsie,
yeah, I want to know, is it like that, or do you just
I didn't even
leave
get
it
your
empty?
question.
Oh, so what I mean is, if a set has no unique values. Like it only shares with other sets, and it doesn't have values that are only in like B or
So let me get this straight. So you remember a picture has been given to you like this, right?
yes.
So this set, for example, only shares with this and this. It doesn't have anything, right?
Yeah.
Then you leave it blank.
Okay. I'm thinking if you can like draw it differently or something.
Okay, so so what you mean is maybe we could have something like this instead? Is that
Oh
what
yeah,
you mean?
maybe.
You
Maybe,
can
but
only have this if this set, so if this is A, B, C, if C and A are disjoint, yes. But in this case, you could see that C and A have something in common, C and B also have something in common, but everything that C contains is already in the common element. So you can only have this. Do you understand what I mean?
yes.
But if there is nothing common between C and A, then you can have this. So there are two options. So which one is your question? Does it have something common with both, or does it have something common with only one of them?
Both.
Both. Then this is what you have, not this one.
Okay.
Elson,
Thank you.
can you let people ask question and I understand before you respond, please? Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you. While I appreciate contribution, I don't like interruption. So let people speak, let me get what they are saying. I can throw it to the class and ask for people's opinion while they are trying to learn. Please, I don't want just talking and interrupting. Thank you. All right, so let's get on with question 6. If you are done with 6, can you signify?
I'm done with 6.
All right, so if you are
Done.
done,
Done with
I'm
6.
if you are
done.
done with 6,
I'm not done.
I'm not done. Okay, Giselle.
Sorry.
That's fine. If you are, okay, where is it? There we go. So I'm displaying this. If you have a printer, I can send this to you, then you can print. How many of you have printer at home right now?
I have printer.
I have
I
a
have
printer.
I have a printer.
So I'll try to download this, and then it says printable. All right, so this is a printable version. So I'll download the PDF format of this. This is for the disjoint one. So I'll download this also. I'll send to you through the WeChat. Then you can download instead of drawing all the time. Do you understand why you have this now? Rather than drawing all the time, then you could just print and shade and write which question you are doing on each picture. Does everybody get that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to leave question 6, 7, 8, 9 like that on the screen. I'll pause the share screen and download. Please confirm if you can still see the question, please.
We can still see the question.
Yes.
Thank you. So question 7. So I'll name the file to this practice question 7, question 8, so you know which one I'm talking about. Wait a minute. Question 7 and prologues. Question 8.
Mr. Daniel, I'm number 6. What do we do now?
What?
I'm number 6. What are we supposed to do now?
7. What you can see on your screen.
Oh, okay. Wait, do we print it out or do we?
Yeah. Do you have a printer?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait,
so
are you sending it on WeChat?
yeah, I'm sending now on WeChat, or I upload on Edmodo. You can download. Which one is easier for you?
I think Edmodo.
Edmodo is easier for me.
All right.
Yeah, because you use computer. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, I'll send. So just give me 5 minutes. I'm downloading and saving it in the appropriate name. Oh, please don't start. No. My browser is misbehaving, guys. My browser might need to be restarted. So if you notice any interruption in what you can see, that is the reason. So I'll try to get it back online. Come on. Can you still see class?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
I
can
can
we can still see the questions.
Okay. My browser is hanging here and I'm trying to. Okay. What can you still see, guys?
We can still see the board. I mean the questions.
Oh, okay, great. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Mr. Daniel, are we supposed to do this 7 now, or do we wait for the for the prints?
The print is better, so you don't have to do it twice. I'm only having difficulty with my browser because my system is hanging. So if you could just give me a little time.
Okay.
So I think it's responded now. I guess my browser is afraid of you, Giselle. Okay. Overlapping, let's see. It's question 7. Question 9. Okay, so I'm uploading them now. Is Melody just joining or she joined twice?
Sorry, there was something wrong with my Wi-Fi just now.
No problem. I was just checking. All right. So
Mr. Daniel, are you still sharing the screen?
I think so.
I can't see it.
I can still see it.
Okay, how about now, Justin?
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay. So guys, check out model. I've attached them. 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you are, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is this. I'm going to send the rest of the question to the group. Then you can take your time to do it. It's already 1:24. Then I can take a little break before I begin my class at 2. Is that okay, everyone?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I'm going to send this screen into on our group now, our WeChat group. I'm going to send this. So I'll start from 4, even though you've done 4 already. Just for the records, if anybody needs. Okay. Then we can group all this together. Is it too small? Okay, maybe we do 2, 2. Let's do 2 questions, 7 and 8, then 9 and 10. Confirm if you get this, please. Hello?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, received it.
I think this is like a game. Ah. Game. Oh, okay. A intersection B. So which part do I shade? We should play this game next time.
Oh, this is stressful. It's timed.
Yeah, I know. So where is intersection B union C? Someone tell me.
It's very hard to describe without just saying intersection B.
Yeah, right? Union C means you combine with C. So intersection B is here, then union C, you have to combine with C, something like that. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Continue. Oh, we got a 10-point, guys. Okay, we are winning. Anyway, we play this next time. Sounds fun. This is easy. Then we can go to add questions too. Oh my God. Add. Okay, so we'll probably do this. Maybe when we come back, I can log on different computers. You can play as a group. We'll see how it goes. All right. So I'll see you next time. That'll be Monday. There's no homework. Let's just practice what I sent. Then on Monday, we'll practice questions of this form, cardinality questions. My main target is this kind of word problems. This kind of word problems. This is my main target, okay? So after that, we can say bye-bye to sets. Okay. Any questions before we go?
No, I have no questions.
All right. Okay, thank you so much. See you on Monday. Enjoy the rest of
Bye.
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 Bye. See ya.
Bye.
See you on Monday.